Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my wonderful family, today I say let me bring this to you so that you know everything that happened all over the globe. You know, I promise that I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. So, I bring every update into to you. This update you're about to watch, or the video you're about to watch, happened in Lagos on 29th day of January 2023. It is so sad that a container full with goods fell on a little small car. And you know what happened? All the passengers turned RIP except the conductor. This thing has been taking place for so long, but the government, everything fall on deaf ear because they don't care about the citizen. Being that that particular spot has been causing a lot of problem, a lot of backlash to a lot of victims, what takes them sacrificing the money to repair that particular place? But no, they don't care. Later they will use everything for election. Now a lot of people lost their life today. It is so sad. I just want to release a video for you to watch, and I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Okay, good afternoon, sir. Please tell us what happened here and what time did it happen?
Just it happened about like the 12:30. The only problem happened, this is a corporate load for fire service, go to Musi. Then the trailer, one portal is here around here. The trailer, he entered the portal. Later he entered the portal. The trailer shake. After the second, the trailer trouble. He pressed the corporate. The corporate have about 8 passengers. Only corporate escape. Chum, 2 children, what was 8 person driver. Only the conductor escaped.
Okay. What about the driver of the trailer?
The driver of the trailer escaped.
He escaped. Right.
This group no way.
Thank you very much, sir. You just heard from an eyewitness. We just heard from an eyewitness who told us that the Kurupe bus actually just loaded the bus from so boss. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń try láti sọ pé over speeding ló fà àbí kí lẹ fi?
No, máa pè ní over speeding, máa tún pè ní pé wọ́n ní sùúrù. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Kó bá wa bá àwọn ìjọba sọ̀rọ̀, ló bá wa tó hàn wọ́n ní kọ́ńténà tó yẹ máa sáré ju wọ́n gbọ́ torí ọ̀dọ́. Ọlá àtúbọ̀ wọn lọ́wọ́.
Good afternoon. So we just heard from another young man, an eyewitness, who said the accident was as a result of overspeeding by the tanker, or the trailer rather, who ran into a portal, thereby causing it to overturn its contents. So right now on your screen you can see the men from the Lagos State Emergency Response Unit trying to evacuate or remove the falling container from the bridge. The man who spoke earlier said the bus had just loaded its passengers with right in front of the fire service station here. And just a few steps away, the accident happened almost immediately. Sorry, please. Sorry. Where it happened. Very sad incident on 29 days, on the 29th day of January, the last Sunday in the month of January. We were informed that some of the victims were just coming back from church when this happened. If you are just joining us, we are live at Ojuedegba, where a container fell on a passenger bus, a minibus popularly called Kurupe in Lagos. 8 persons were confirmed dead. Only 1 person survived, and that is the conductor of the bus. We'll try to locate him.
I said the same thing, and it's still happening.
Residents here are basically angry. This is not the first time such an incident will be happening on this particular bridge. I recall that in September 2022, a container fell on this bridge, killing the driver of the trailer said to have escaped. This will be all from us at the moment as we monitor the evacuation by men of the Lagos State Emergency Response Unit.
So, my wonderful family, that is all about the update. You can hear from the passerby saying that this thing has happened before and it is still happening. They are so angry. It is time they call out for protest so that they will know their left from their right, because they can't continue like this. How will this thing be deleting people, taking people's life every time, and the government don't cares about it? Nobody cares about it. Something needs to be done. So, my realistic people, let me bring this update here. Please share this video, like and subscribe. Share it to your friends, your family, so that they will be careful and know what is happening around them. Thank you so much, and bye bye.